Hey there, food lovers! Get ready for a soup that's like a warm hug on a chilly day. This cheddar broccoli lasagna soup is pure comfort food. It's creamy, cheesy, and loaded with flavor. You'll love how easy it is to make. Plus, it's perfect for sharing with family and friends. Here's what you'll need to create this deliciousness. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrots, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 10-ounce package of frozen chopped broccoli florets, 9 lasagna noodles broken in half a cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Grab a large pot or Dutch oven. Heat your olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and carrots. Cook them for about 5 minutes. You want them to soften up and get a little bit golden. Now, stir in the minced garlic. Cook it for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Add the can of crushed tomatoes to the pot. Stir it all together. Now sprinkle in your dried oregano, salt, and black pepper. Give everything a good mix. Let this simmer for about 10 minutes. This will help the flavors really deepen and develop. Section 5, broccoli. Bliss green goodness joins the party. Pour in your chicken broth and water, then toss in the frozen broccoli florets. Give it a stir. Now bring the soup to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. You want the broccoli to become nice and tender. Section 6. Noodle Nirvana lasagna takes a dip. Gently break your lasagna noodles in half. Add them to the simmering soup. Stir them in gently. Cook the noodles for about 10 to 12 minutes. You want them to be cooked through but still have a little bite. Section 7. Velvety dreams. Heavy cream works its magic. It's time for the magic ingredient. Pour in your heavy cream. This will make the soup extra rich and creamy. Stir it gently to combine. Section 8. Cheese, please. The meltdown begins. Reduce the heat to low. Sprinkle in your shredded cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Stir it all together until the cheeses are melted and the soup is smooth and creamy. Now taste your soup and adjust the seasonings if needed. You might want to add a pinch more salt or pepper. Section 9. Spice it up. Optional heatwave warning. Want to add a little kick? Here's the secret. Sprinkle in a pinch of red pepper flakes. Start with a little and add more to your liking. Section 10. Bowl goals. Serving up comfort and joy. Ladle that steaming hot soup into bowls. You can top it with extra cheese if you're feeling extra indulgent. A sprinkle of fresh parsley adds a nice pop of color. Serve with some crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy every cheesy, comforting bite.